is a review of the Spyder Extra paintball gun. They're pretty good. One of the bad things is that the hopper is really tall on the gun. This is a pretty older model. It's a 2003, and so they're pretty good. Pretty accurate too. Most of them are metric, and mine's a metric. I found that out the hard way. And so, get to the upper part of the hose. You gotta unscrew that darker part, and then you can get the other part. Right here is the safety. Right here is the beaver tail sight rail. Mine came with it. Stay clear of that. And right here is the adjuster for the air or NOS or whatever you use. Yeah, it's a pretty good gun. Pretty accurate. Double trigger. And I also have a 200 ball hopper on it. So yeah, it's pretty good, pretty accurate. Not the best for woods ball though. Yeah, that's about it. You guys have fun with it and be safe. Okay, bye.